Hey y'all, I got a 2010 F150 that's in need of some new headlights. These just aren't cutting it anymore. They're just old and yellowy looking, and I'm looking for that bright LED look. So here's what I'm going with. I bought some AUTOONE LED lights. Here, this is DD-10S, available on Amazon, where we get it from. So we're gonna see real quick, not so much how to change these light bulbs. That's super simple to change the light bulbs, but what they look like before and after. This is on high beam right now. Let's go. All right, so here's what we're replacing. Here is the OEM bulb off of the F150, and just matching it up for size, and making sure the plug looks exactly the same here. I got the right plug. There's 3 pins down there. There's 3 pins down here too, same size. When you match this up, that's the same size. So this is gonna work good. What you really gotta do is just pop this little fender off here. You can reach your arm up into here, and here's actually the plug that it's gonna go into, and then it screws into the adapter up in there, or the composite headlight up in there. There's a quick test to make sure it's burning, plugged up good, so that looks great. All right, so the camera's not doing it justice. This is much brighter, much cleaner looking than this. This has still got that old yellow, dingy look, and you can see, I wonder if there's a way you can see it's got the cleaner, whiter look to it. And we'll see how it looks tonight too. I did a comparison drive with these old headlights. We'll see how that looks. All right, got them both in. You can't appreciate how much brighter they are with this video. We'll do some road tests tonight. These are the OEM headlights, and they're kind of yellowish to me looking. I'm gonna go down the same road, compare the lights. Here's low beam, high beam. It's kind of in a dark hole here, and I know it doesn't seem like it, but on this camera, it's not really showing that. It has more of a yellowish look. The camera's making it a little brighter than it is, so interested to see the contrast, how it's gonna look. So here we are with our new LED lights in, much brighter, that white, more modern look. Here's my high beams. I think this is going to show really, it's gonna look a really contrasted to. I'm going to be interested in going back, here's high beams, and looking at the difference between this video with the LEDs and the old incandescences. I think it's remarkable. It's a really nice, clean light. Again, I like the modern look to it. Good job. So if you're interested in these AUTOONE LED lights, headlights, they've got all sorts of LEDs for tail lights, everything. I'm gonna put the link down in the description to be able to get these. So there it is. Easy way to get some really super bright, modern looking LED headlights. It was easy to install in the F150 there. And these are available on Amazon. If you got any questions or comments, give me a shout. Thanks, y'all.